Alright, functions classes, we're going to learn how to do that problem that is at the bottom of your first page in your homework packet. So we need to find 3r. So to do that, I'm going to multiply 3 times every entry in there. Now when we're multiplying a scalar to something inside a matrix, we have to remember that we're just multiplying the coefficients. So this will be our answer. So go ahead and write that down, hit pause, because we're going to need this because we're going to do a step-by-step process. Okay, so now we are going to add the matrix Q to 3r. So I did that here. Now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and add just like we've been doing before and add them together. So 15a plus 3a is 18a. So remember, when we're adding the same like term, we can combine our coefficients. Then 6 and 4 are just regular numbers. 9b plus 1b, if that helps you, gives us 10. Now we have a 3 plus 1d. Here's the deal, those aren't like terms, so I'm just going to write what I said I was doing. 3 plus d, 3 plus d. So now we have a binomial, and this is the first time we've seen a binomial written inside a matrix, but there it is. These are monomials, meaning one term. This is a binomial, meaning two terms. So then we're going to do the same thing here. And then this is 12 plus 2c, which is 12 plus 2c, because again, those are not like terms. Okay, so now we're going to solve for those variables if 3r plus q equals s. So I've already done all the work here. So what I have done is this is our answer that we got on the last slide. So we have the 18a, 10, 10b, did all of those. And I'm saying that it's equal to matrix S. So one thing I want to show you that I noticed was that if I look in this second spot where it says 10, so this would be 3r would be the address, right? 3r in row 1, column 2. If I look in the same thing in my S, row 1, column 2, you'll see that 10 and 10 are the same. So we're going to use that idea to solve for those variables, meaning if I say 10 equals 10, then yes, that's true. Well, then I'm going to say 18a equals 2. So right here, 18a equals 2. Then I'm just going to solve for a. I'm going to get a by itself. So divide by 18, and I get a is equal to 1 over 9. Always simplify your fractions and do keep your answers in fraction form. Anyone who's moving on in math, that is how most people, as you go on in math, will want your answers. They will not want decimal approximations. Alright, so we're going to do that for all the variables. So that was A. So B, 10b equals 4. 10b equals 4. Divide both sides by 10, and I get b is equal to 2 over 5. Alright, now we're going to get that 3 plus d equals 2. So 3 plus d equals 2. I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides because it's actually being added to the variable, not multiplied. So I subtract from both sides, and I get d is equal to negative 1. The reason why I did d before c is just because of where it is in the matrix. Alright, now we're going to do 12 plus 2c. 12 plus 2c, subtract 12 from both sides, I get negative 2c is equal to negative 5. Divide that by 2, and I get c is equal to negative 5 over 2. Okay, so now that you have seen this, you should be able to do the problem at the end of the first page on your packet. If you have any questions, please bring them to class or send me an email. Thank you. Have a great day.